Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tongue to Tummy. In this video today I will share with you chicken jalfrezi. If you like this recipe, please do like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. This is 400 gram boneless chicken cut into cubes. Into it goes 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all the spices well with the chicken. Chicken jalfrezi is a stir-fried recipe with a thick spicy sauce which includes bell peppers, onions and tomatoes. Rest it for 20 minutes. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil. Add the chicken pieces. Keep the flame on medium heat and fry the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes. After a minute or so, flip the chicken pieces onto the other side for frying. After the frying is done and the chicken pieces has turned brown, put off the flame and take out the chicken pieces and set aside. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil. Add 1 roughly sliced large onion. Fry on medium heat for at least 3 to 4 minutes or until it will turn translucent. Adding 1 tablespoon ginger cut into julienne, 6 to 7 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Fry for a minute. Add 1 cup red bell pepper, 1 cup yellow bell pepper, 1 cup green bell pepper. Fry for 2 minutes on medium heat. Now add the fried chicken. Cook on low flame. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Goes into it 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes on low heat. Add 1 roughly chopped tomato. Keep the flame low and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Instead of chopped tomatoes, you can use fresh tomato puree. Adding 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, half tablespoon salt. Give it a mix. Adding half cup water and cook for about a minute. Cover and cook at least 2 minutes until the chicken is tender. Put on the flame on medium heat and cook for 10 minutes. Turn the chicken regularly. Now you can see the sauce has reduced and the whole thing is properly cooked. Goes into some chopped coriander leaves and simmer it for a minute. You can serve chicken jalfrezi with basmati or plain rice, roti or naan. If you enjoy this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon so that you get a notification each time I upload a recipe. Thank you for watching.